When I get onto this boat the very first time, I have to test, see if I can pedal it like any other boats. Even though the boat is 37 inches wide, I have no problem pedaling it with my short kayak pedal. Next, I have to test how stable it is. With the width of 37 inches, I expect it would be very stable, even without extending the pontoon further out. I have also pushed the pontoons out, and there's no surprise either. It is great for stand-up fishing. I don't have to worry about falling into the water. Then I try to pedal it like a paddleboard. I have to step a little bit towards the bow because I have to clear the pontoons while I pedal the boat. I can pedal it, but it is not a very good experience because the pontoons get into my way. I wonder how accurate my flotation calculation is in building this boat. Therefore, I look at the draft in the front and at the back. Both are around 1 inch. To me, this is a little bit surprise. Then I think a little bit further is because the middle of the boat is sagging, because the hinge is not that rigid, so the bow and stern must have lifted up. I expected the draft to be at 1.5 inch, therefore the sagging isn't really that much. Furthermore, this sagging can be controlled, and I will share how to do that in my future video. Some boats are designed in with this feature, which may help with the maneuverability of the boat. Now is the time to test the pedal drive. This is the very first time I have ever used this kind of drive on a kayak, and I'm not the right person to give a good evaluation of the drive, whether it's good or bad. I have to learn how to adjust my seating position and also my pedaling posture so that I can pedal the drive smoothly. I don't have a rudder, so I use the pedal to steer the boat. You may notice that I am pedaling in a circle even though I haven't put my pedal down to steer the boat. And this is the big flaw of the design of this boat. When I use my kayak pedal, I intuitively apply the right power on each side of the pedal so as to get the boat to move in a straight line. And with the pedal drive, assume that I can apply even pressure to rotate the propeller, but then the hull shape of the boat is not symmetric, especially with the way I wrap the foam with chloroplast. And also the pontoons are not identical. With the single source of power coming out from the propeller, the boat will not go straight. I have to keep on steering the boat with my kayak pedal. Besides pedaling forward, I have to practice how to pedal backward. The seat as is very comfortable, and also the posture in cycling is very relaxing, and the boat seems to be moving in a straight line. If I don't extend the pontoon, the boat doesn't seem to be going very fast. Later, I tried to extend the pontoon and I can feel the boat moves much faster. It may have a better hydrodynamic when both pontoons are stretched out. It was a very nice day to do the water test. With the current design, I cannot go very fast. This is the best cadence I can do with this pedal drive. It's because if I try to pedal harder, the pedal drive jumps up. As shown here, it shouldn't be too difficult to fix this problem though. I can add one more crossbar and also a locking mechanism to lock the drive in place so it won't jump up. This is another look of the problem of the mount and the pedal drive jumped up. I tested the auto retraction of the pontoons. I removed the kayak pedal and the pontoon was being pulled in immediately by the bungee cord. And it works. Gen 18 is a fun boat, but it's not good enough to be my fishing kayak. In my next video, I'll talk about major changes to this design so that it will be usable as a fishing kayak. Please stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, please help me to grow my channel, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, give me feedback. Bye.